Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today is a Almay Influencer unboxing, you guys. I'm super excited. So it looks like you get 2 eyeliners and a mascara. So for anybody who was watching my Orgy Palette top 5 serial killers that creep me out, and you guys are like, she didn't put any mascara on. That's because I was actually holding off and waiting for this. So yeah, for anybody who's like, she didn't put no mascara on, girl, because we were waiting for this. So, and it kind of looks like you do get a color eyeliner, which I don't really have a whole lot of those. I normally just keep black eyeliners on hand because that's mostly what I grabbed for. So we actually have a color in here. So let's see exactly what we have. Alright, so we obviously have the card that we always get that just kind of lets you know exactly what type of products you're getting. And it says this is bold makeup for sensitive eyes. So if you are somebody who has sensitive eyes, then hey, you can go check out Almay's little line right here. So, okay, this is what it's saying. We are getting gel eyeliners, and these are intense gel colors that last up to 24 hours, you guys. And it is barrel made from 85% recycled paper for anybody who cares. I personally don't. Environmental working group certified. And then the mascara, it lengthens, lifts, conditions, and protects. And it's lash caring, complex condition lashes without clumping, which I do love mascaras that don't clump. Mascara brush is made from 100% plant derived bristles. So this is something that sounds like they're a little bit not animal cruelty. You can let me know. And it seems like they use everything from like either recycled or clean beauty products. Alright, so here's the mascara. Okay, so it is like 100% plant-based. So yeah, if you're somebody who's looking for like a really nice vegan-free type of product, it seems like they, yeah, cruelty-free and all that great stuff. So if you're somebody who is looking for a drugstore makeup, the Pure Plum eyeliner, which I will swatch for you guys because I already have my eye makeup on from a previous video. And then we have a black eyeliner, which, girl, let me tell you what, I can never have too many backup eyeliners because I go through eyeliner like a motherfucker. So that's all we got in that little box. So let's go ahead and dive into the swatches. And then we will do the mascara so nobody freaks out and is like, she's wearing eye look without mascara. No. I had another video to film. Alright, so this is what the packaging looks like. Very nice, clean, sleek. Kind of would throw you off if you weren't paying attention by this bottom half right here. Would kind of make you think that, whoa, is this a white eyeliner? But it's really not. It does have a black. Ooh, okay. So really nice, soft, smooth. It like comes on like butter, you guys. So that's really a good thing. So that's what the black eyeliner looks like. So definitely I could see that lasting all day. It could actually be a little too bad. Sometimes I do notice things with cream eyeliners is sometimes they can smear, especially if, like, here, I want to show you guys how smooth it is. Just whoop whoop, goes on like butter. Sometimes those can, like, if you start crying, they can get a little smudgy and shit to that nature. It doesn't say if these are waterproof or not. Let's see. Okay, waterproof. So yeah, they both are waterproof, so that is one thing you won't have to worry about. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the mascara. I do need a new mascara because my sample one that I got from Sephora for my birthday was just a sample size and it's starting to dry out. So we got a backup. Alright, so this is what the packaging of that one looks like. It just says Almay on both sides. And it is a really pretty turquoise. So let's go ahead and see what this brings. Oh, hang on, we're getting ahead of myself. Here is what the brush applicator looks like. Okay, so I do like this mascara. For the simple fact is it's definitely not clumping, and it definitely goes on very smooth. And if you guys are wondering, this is Blackest Black 010 in case you're looking for it. So I do notice that, so the wand, what I do like about the wand is how it curves at the tip. So that way it does get into the small areas, like right in here. Definitely like that about this brush. The bristles on it are very nice and soft. It doesn't feel extremely heavy on your eyelashes, and it pulls it up so that way it gives it length, which I do like. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my eyelashes do have a lot more length to them, and does not look clumpy whatsoever, which I do love. That is one thing I didn't like about this Milk mascara, how thick the damn brush was. And it actually, like, took forever, it felt like, to get the mascara onto you. And plus it's drying out, obviously. So I'm super excited. I definitely give this a 10 out of 10 for being a drugstore. For the simple fact, it definitely lengthens your eyelashes. It makes them look clean and smooth, and it doesn't clump. And I actually have a problem with my lashes over here clumping real bad. And obviously, as I can see, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see, but it did not clump whatsoever in that corner. And then, of course, eyeliners. You cannot go wrong with eyeliners. If you want me to, I might do a little review on these, see exactly how they hold up during a whole day. And yeah, so that is my little influencer unboxing of 2 little eyeliners that I can always use, and some more mascara, which I can always use too as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big huge thumbs up, and as always, I upload every 3 days due to working purposes, and I'll see you soon in my next video. You're beautiful, stay true to yourself, and don't let nobody tell you otherwise. See you guys!